The last few days, the Lord has been bringing to my mind and my thought about compassionate correction or compassionate instruction. There are many things that we may have to tell someone, maybe a child, all kind of situations it could be in. It may be that we know that we need to tell, okay, you need to do this. This is the way that it's got to be. This is the things that's going to have to happen. But a lot of times we'll make a whole lot more progress with a person, and we'll make a whole lot more headway. And if our goal is to get the person to do the thing that we're going to talk to them about, then we must think it's important, or we wouldn't waste our time. But we need to come at it from an angle of understanding or compassion, where we let the other person talk. Not that they carry on and go on and on and on about it, but we listen long enough to get an understanding of how the person feels. What are their mental processes about it? How is it their emotional state, the emotions that they find themselves dealing with in this time? If we understand that, truly understand it, not just hear it and then just move on past it, but if we hear it, let ourselves feel what the other person is feeling. Let ourselves think the way the other person is thinking, and from that place of compassion and from that place of understanding, then we can give the instruction that we need to give the person. Once they know they've been heard, once they know that we listened to them, we cared enough to hear their side of the story, what they're going through, or what they're thinking about it. Because we don't need to just run in all the time and say, I have the answer, this is the way it's going to be, this is what needs to be done. This is the way that it's going to have to be. These are the things that we're going to have to do. But take the time with people to say, okay, well, what do you think about it? I understand how you feel. I understand what you're going through. I understand the struggle that you're having with this right now. And then you can help the person move on into a better place. Move on into doing the thing that we went to talk to them about in the first place. Let's have compassionate correction and compassionate instruction in our lives.